Welcome to Gear versus Gear. The best wooden spoons is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, but with so many options available, choosing the right set can be a challenge. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wooden spoons, exploring their versatility, durability, and why they remain a timeless classic for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. We'll explore what makes a great set and help you find the perfect wooden spoons for your culinary adventures. Number 5. Teak 7-piece wooden kitchen utensil set. This kitchen utensil set is crafted from 100% natural teak wood. It's sturdy, odorless, and perfect for everyday use. The natural wooden texture adds a touch of nature to your kitchen, making cooking more enjoyable. The set includes a variety of tools like spatulas, ladles, and spoons. They are designed to handle various cooking tasks. This versatile set has everything you need to prepare a wide range of dishes. These wooden utensils are highly heat-resistant and won't melt like some other materials. They are also designed to be gentle on your non-stick pans, preventing scratches. You can use them with confidence knowing they are safe and effective. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wash with soap and water. Each utensil has a hanging hole for easy storage. This helps keep your kitchen organized and tidy. Each piece is made from a single piece of teak wood, carefully polished for a smooth finish. It's a chef's favorite and makes a perfect gift for family and friends. The quality and craftsmanship are evident in every detail. What we like. These utensils are crafted from natural teak, ensuring durability and a touch of nature in your kitchen. They are also heat-resistant, perfect for use with non-stick pans. If you are looking for a complete set of wooden utensils that are both functional and safe for your cookware, you should consider this set. What people say. The spoons are well made and sturdy. The wooden spoons are perfect for cooking and serving. The set includes a variety of sizes, which is very useful. Number 4. AIUHI 10-pack wooden spoons for cooking. Introducing the AIUHI 10-pack wooden spoons, a perfect addition to your kitchen. These utensils are designed for all your cooking needs, making meal preparation a breeze. Made from high-quality teak wood, this set is durable and long-lasting. The natural material ensures it's safe for use with non-stick cookware, preventing scratches. These wooden spoons are specifically designed for non-stick use. They won't scratch or damage your expensive cookware, ensuring its longevity. Whether you're stirring a sauce or baking a cake, this set has you covered. The variety of utensils makes it ideal for a wide range of kitchen tasks. This set includes a spatula and various spoons, providing everything you need. It's a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen. What we like. This set is designed specifically for non-stick cookware, ensuring your pans remain scratch-free. Made from teak wood, it offers a natural and elegant look. If you enjoy baking and stirring, this set is an excellent choice for your kitchen. What people say. My absolute favorite purchase last year. Super sturdy and great quality. I love that I don't have to cook with plastic anymore. Even the spaghetti holder works well. I find myself using the thin-slotted spatula, ladle, and wide spoon the most. Just what I wanted. Good quality. The spatulas are thin enough to get under whatever you're turning. The ladle is a nice size. This is a beautiful utensil set. Each piece in the set is not the exact same wood finish, which I think adds to the unique beauty of this set. Our family uses all the utensils daily and they are well made and durable and feel comfortable in your hand when using. I usually hand wash them, but they are very easy to care for and clean. My kids have put them in the dishwasher and they were fine. I love how they don't scratch my pans, and with these wood utensils I don't have to worry about the toxins you would get from using plastic utensils. Number 3. Hefild 7-piece wooden spoons. These small wooden spoons are expertly crafted from sustainable wood. They are strong and durable, ensuring they will last for a long time. Using it retains the flavor of honey. This set of mini wooden spoons is perfect for honey, serving, and eating. They are also great for small spice jars, coffee, stirring, and DIY projects. It's a handy tool for various tasks. Choose a sustainable option with these small wooden spoons. They are designed to replace plastic or metal alternatives. It's a great choice for the environment. Enhance your kitchen with these beautifully crafted wooden spoons. They feature a minimalist design that showcases the natural wood color and grain. They add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. These wooden serving spoons are lightweight and easy to handle. They provide a comfortable grip and avoid the heat transfer common in metal utensils. They can also be used as egg bamboo spoons. What we like. These small wooden spoons are perfect for honey, tea, and coffee, adding a touch of elegance to your table. They are made from sustainable wood, making them an eco-friendly choice. If you like to enjoy your tea and coffee with a touch of sweetness, you should consider these spoons. What people say. These 5.8-inch wooden spoons are very sturdy and work well for stirring tea, serving honey, or scooping small amounts of condiments. The set includes 7 spoons with a smooth finish and comfortable handles. Their size is perfect for use with small jars and containers, making it easy to get just the right amount without mess. Perfect size and very durable but lightweight. Built well and comfortable in the hand. Number 2. KARRYOUNG Acacia Wood Cooking Utensil Set. These beautiful utensils are crafted from natural acacia wood. They are durable, eco-friendly, and perfect for your daily cooking needs. Made from high-quality acacia wood, this set is designed to last. The natural wood provides a sturdy and reliable cooking experience. This set includes spoons, spatulas, and a pasta fork. It's perfect for mixing, stirring, serving, and all your kitchen tasks. The smooth wooden surface won't scratch your non-stick pots and pans. This helps keep your cookware in great condition. Each utensil has a built-in hanging hole. This makes storage easy and provides quick access while you're cooking. Made from a single piece of solid wood, these tools are incredibly strong. You can rely on them for superior durability in the kitchen. What we like. Crafted from durable acacia wood, this set is built to last. This set includes a variety of utensils for all your cooking needs. If you are looking for a versatile and durable set that is safe for your non-stick cookware, you should consider this set. What people say. The spoons are well made and sturdy. They are perfect for stirring sauces and soups. The wooden spoons are easy to clean and maintain. Number 1. Riveira Bamboo 6-piece Wooden Cooking Utensil Set. This set is designed for daily use and enhances your kitchen decor. It makes flipping, stirring, and serving effortless. The durable wooden utensils resist cracks and stains. Crafted from 100% organic bamboo, it's safe for all cookware. The spatula ensures smooth flipping and stirring without scratching. These versatile utensils resist stains and odors. These non-toxic cooking utensils are designed for everyday use. The set includes various options for handling different tasks. It ensures you always have the right tool. Simplify your cooking with this set that wipes clean quickly. Made from strong bamboo, it's built for lasting performance. These essential spoons provide style and convenience. We are confident in these wooden cooking spoons, offering a limited lifetime warranty. If you're not happy with them, they are backed by our promise of lasting quality. What we like. This set is made from high-quality bamboo, making it a sustainable and stylish choice for your kitchen. The set offers a complete cooking utility, with a variety of tools for all your needs. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-clean set, you should consider this one. What people say. The quality is excellent. They feel sturdy but lightweight, smooth to the touch, and don't scratch my non-stick pans. The design is simple and elegant, and they look beautiful on my kitchen counter. These are great, easy to wash and does not deteriorate after washing. The size is perfect for cooking. Very well made and the look is elegant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.